Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my fidgets. Let's go. So I have this owl puppet. Here, let me make it easier. Okay, so I have this owl puppet. Sorry, my throat is very phlegmy. Excuse me. I'm going to do a transition. I have this circle puppet. I played this one a lot. It's one of my favorites. I always have something in my pocket. Transition! I have this Christmas keyboard puppet. Guys, go check the channel Carousel Fidgets. She's doing a lot of live streams. I don't know if she's doing one now. But yeah. She did 2 live streams yesterday. I can't tell if it was yesterday or the day before. But yeah. My voice is very phlegmy, so please don't mind that. So that's why I'm doing transition. I have this. Like one of those like little octopus puppet thingies. Transition! Baby shark, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. This is actually my brother's, but I play with his fidgets anyway. Transition! I have a rainbow bear puppet. I have so many puppets. I've only viewed puppets so far, so yeah. Transition! I have this Christmas tree puppet that feels really good on both sides. Okay, I'm so sorry. My voice is so phlegmy, that's why I'm doing sorry about that. Maybe one day I can do a video reviewing all my Pokemon cards. Transition! I have a smart puppet. Oh, sorry, you can barely see it. Oh my gosh, it's not focused. So sorry about it's not focused. Transition! This is my last fidget I'm going to do for this video, but it isn't all my fidgets. But, yeah, I have this rainbow puppet. But, yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!